welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra and I do lifestyle, beauty, travel, and some fashion videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So you guys, today's video is all about hair color. You guys know, if you've been around for a while, how much I love coloring my hair, whether it's permanent color, whether it's hair color wax, whether it's hair color sprays, hair color chalks. I have basically tried it all on my channel. I'll link some of the videos down below in the description box so you guys can take a look. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the hair color spray method on my locks. And I do have some videos using the hair color spray, but you guys, I posted a video on Instagram, or I posted a picture on Instagram, and you guys were like, okay, can you show us how you do the spray on your locks? Fine, cool, I can do that. So that's what we're doing today. And the hair color that we're using today, I am so sad to say that it is sold out. They no longer sell this hair color. I know, it's very sad, and I'm down to my last bottle, and it's my favorite hair color, okay? So if you've been around long enough, I've used this on my tapered, loose natural hair, and it is so bomb. It's the Be Natural, and it's the Gentle Auburn, and I believe this is by Punky Hair Color. And like I said, y'all, if y'all at them, tag them, go in their DMs and say, hey, bring this back because we need this color. It's so bomb, you guys. So this is a hair color spray, and it's temporary. It washes out after one shampoo, so you're good to go. Transfer is minimum with this particular hair color. Some of the colors are different. I tend to find out that reds do transfer a lot. This is sort of a red, but there's minimum transfer, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply it on my locks. And I just freshly retied the back of my hair because it had been 10 weeks, girl, and they were intertwining with each other, and just, it was a hot mess. So anyway, you guys, so if you guys are interested and you want to see the process, keep on watching. You guys, so the items that you're going to need are very minimum. Just some hair ties if you want to separate your hair and color a particular section. So I have these black hair ties here. So I have some gloves as well. These are my quarantine gloves, so we got to use these sparingly because, girl, it's so hard to find gloves these days, you know. These are the gloves I use when I go out to the grocery store and I go grocery store shopping, okay? And of course I have my hair color spray. I'm going to start off by putting on my gloves. Okay, now I'm going to section off my hair the way that I want it colored, and you can do this any kind of way, girl, whatever your heart's desire, okay? I tend to like the top colored, but I like it colored only halfway down my locks. I don't like to put it on my roots at all. Ain't nobody got time to be scrubbing hair color out of your roots. No. Okay, so I'm going to section off my hair to the way that I want to color it. So you guys just watch and see how I do this. Okay, so the rest of the hair I'm going to tuck away, try to keep it out of my way so I don't get any hair color on it. Oh, it's so thick. Okay, so I don't want any of this hair. I don't want to get color on any of this hair, okay? Actually, I'm going to start in the back because it's going to be easier to just get that out the way. So I'm going to section off some. Put the rest of the hair away. I'm going to use my hand to separate the hair that I don't want colored and the hair that I do want colored. So my thumb is the separator there, okay? So I just want to color this amount. So the directions say, shake can well, hold about 12 to 18 inches away from the hair, apply to dry styled hair, do not apply to wet or chemically damaged hair, okay? I have never tried this on my wet hair. I have tried it on a dry twist out. I applied it, then I two-strand twisted my hair. When you apply the color and then do your style, the color fades because you're running your hands through it so much. when you style your hair, then apply the color, you get more out of the color. Basically, you get more opacity, it doesn't fade as much, and then it lasts a little bit longer, okay? So, since I'm not styling my hair, it's already pretty much styled because I got locks. Since my hair is already styled, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Remember, only on dry hair, okay? So, I'm gonna shake the can well. Then I'm going to do my next section. Okay, once I got the color everywhere I want it, I'm gonna go back in and do some spot checking. So basically just taking the color and freestyling and spraying it on the areas that I feel like didn't get a good amount of coverage. So for instance here, a little in the front. You definitely don't want to get this on your forehead. All right, so that's about it. I am now going to take out my hair. Shake it all around. Instant transformation, right, you guys? Let me give you guys a tour so you can see the back. I will say that this color does feel a little bit drying on my hair. You know, I've never experienced this with my loose natural hair, but for some reason on my locks, it does feel a little bit drying. Feels a little bit crunchy in those areas. Feels like it's holding or something like that. Goes perfect with my skin complexion. That's why I love it so much. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it. Really simple, really easy. And like I said, it washes out with one shampoo. I had no problems getting this color out of my hair whatsoever. Now, because I am only 7 months locked, my hair is not fully locked. So when I braid and band, I have to really make sure that I wash really well in between the braids, because I did notice one time when I did wash this color out that some color was left over because I wasn't able to get in between my braids good enough. So just make sure that when you wash this out that you really focus on getting in between those braids, okay? That's if you are not fully locked. Make sure you get in between those braids really well so you can get all the color out. But for the most part, I love this hair color. This is like something that I'll be doing until I finally decide to color my locks once they mature. This is a good alternative to that because it's not damaging. It didn't really cause me any buildup. I was able to wash it out easily, and you know, it gives a really cute look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions below. I'll try to find a color that's similar to this, and I will place it down below in the description box. And I'll also leave the link to the company that sells the hair colors that I usually go for. So if you guys are interested, you can check those out. If you're not subscribed again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.